As you can see, I burnished the little posts so I can accurately see where they are, where they're located in relationship to the rough cutting. And you can see the little burr of metal that has been caused and created by the number 1 onglet. And I specify the word number 1 onglet graver. And this is showing you that I made one continual cut from the right side of the plate into that point. And it's quite an achievement to be able to use that graver in this manner. And after the 3rd cut with a line graver, I call it, I stop and I burnish the beads over to give more security. And I can see exactly how they're going to be looking and where they're situated over the hole. So I just wanted to show you how interesting this is, how it looks. I'll take a little tour around that little piece of metal. Hopefully you can see it. There it is. You can see it better now. And I'll make that cut again right to the far end of the track, which is on the left side. And when I'm finished that, I'll start again with my onglet number 2, and it'll look very, very nice. So this is only a short video, but just wanted to show you that this process of bright cutting takes time. But you have to understand that this is not going to be taught in one video. It takes many videos, many weeks and months to get the hang of using the graver.